going all in and committing to doing something that's going to improve potentially your business, potentially your life, and get you to the next level faster by spending a little bit of money to get there. Anybody would do that, especially knowing if they can get the money back faster, right? If you are an investor of any kind, whether it's in the stock market or real estate or cryptocurrency, you expect to spend money to be able to expand on that. And that's the same with the business. You get more organized, you get more clear about what it is that you absolutely need to do. It's actually not that much money. The amount to spend in the business it's actually dirt cheap. Yeah, my name is Andy Wolf, and I am a full-time real estate agent in Louisville, Kentucky. I've just been in the business for just crossed over the 2-year mark. I started out long-term buy and hold rental property investing and had jumped into this career after a 27-year stint in the food service business as a chef. I actually didn't really know that much about the program. I talked to one salesperson for the program and signed up that day. So I was pretty much, I think at that point, I really wanted to find something. It was a leap of faith to jump right into it, but it has been definitely worth every minute and definitely every dollar spent as well. Even people talking about over 100 transactions, and that was a whole nother level that I couldn't even comprehend, and seeing that was a possibility. To be close and be in proximity to those that are already doing that is the only way to go. I mean, you're going to get there so much faster. So there was the trust in having seen that to be able to just take that leap of faith right away. My coach, he's available outside of the coaching sessions that we have. Sometimes he's able to give me a little bit even more flexibility on his time if we are really getting in deep to something. Matt Greco's been in the business, so he knows what I'm going through. He knows what it takes to do real estate at a high level and high volume. He actually challenged me to really schedule time. So I have actually been able to shut it down at a specific time, and I schedule out time that I have with my family. I've actually found that my clients appreciate that because they know when I'm available and when I'm not available. Everybody wants to know when you're going to get back to them. But I think just clarifying that, and it's been a lot less stress around being able to have time designated specifically to family time. So this just already put all the organization together. It is definitely a lot of time spent with somebody else putting that together that I didn't have to go out and create. And seeing how you can just basically kind of follow this format. I've always kind of gone off of the idea, you get 1% better every day. It doesn't feel like you're making any progress until one day it just like exponentially increases. You can be excited about it. You can have the dream to get there. You can be determined to get there. But if you're not in the reality of what you are actually completing on a daily basis, the $1 Million Agent Method has really put things into a much more organized and clear and a reality check, right, of what I'm able to get done and really what I should be doing every day to expand on my business to the level I want to. I think that is huge. Like, how many phone calls am I making? Am I following up with the social media posts and even the whole database touch calendar to put together and actually have it scheduled in your calendar, get those things out there. And then you essentially can check off whether or not you did it or not. And if you didn't do it, then okay, well, that's the formula. You're going to get it done. You're going to improve your business.